kitchen. Today I've got a really fun recipe for you. It's great to do with kids or big kids, and these are fruit ice lolly pens. So all you need is some sugar-free cordial, some strawberries, some blueberries, some grapes, some water and some food colouring. So the first thing I'm going to do is add the fruit to all the moulds. I decided to put some blueberries in first because then they can sit at the end like a little ballpoint pen. So I'm just going to put a blueberry into each one. Now I'm just going to put a mixture of fruit in. I'm just going to swap about so there's a few different layers going up the ice lollies when they're frozen. Finely chopped strawberries. I've also done some grapes. I've just chopped them in half. So I'll just put a couple of these in each one. Look, you can see all the fruit in there. Now I'm going to get the cordials ready. So I've just got a jug here. I'll do the orange one first because then I can use the same jug for my blackcurrant one. So I've just got the sugar-free orange cordial going in there. 50 ml and 100 ml of water. And to that I'm just going to add my food colouring just to make it really nice and orangey. So I'm just going to use a straw and just give it a little stir around. There you go, so that's all my lovely orangey ink for my ice lolly. So I'm just going to pour this into 3 of the moulds. When you're doing this, by the way, just going to tell you, make sure you leave a little bit of a gap before you put the lid on, because when the water freezes it will expand. So I'm just going to leave about ½ a centimetre at the top. So now it's time for the other flavour. I've got 50 ml of blackcurrant cordial, I've got sugar-free, and another 100 ml of water. And some red food colouring. There we go. So I'll just give it a bit of a mix. There you have it, some lovely blackcurranty ink. So that's going into the moulds over the rest of the fruit. There we go, so now I'm going to put the lids on. So you can kind of like push it in, you can feel it sort of wedging into the fruit there. There we go, they're all ready for the freezer. So there it is, lovely and frozen. So I'm just going to dip it in a bit of warm water so I can release it easily from the mould. That should be about right. And then just, there we go, look at that. My ice lolly pen. So now I'm going to have a go at writing. I've got some extra food colouring here, some orange and some red, so I can dip it in and have a go at writing on my paper before I demolish it. Right, I'm going to carry on doing some artwork with my ice lollies. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and I hope you make your own. And I'd love to see some of your edible artwork. And don't forget, use the hashtag StaySafeGetCooking. Thanks for watching. Bye.